Before starting this video, I just wanted to give a quick thank you to Deck of Scarlet for sending me over this beautiful palette. Deck of Scarlet is a makeup subscription, so every 2 months you get a new makeup palette with all the products you need for a full face of makeup. It costs less than one product that you'd normally get at Sephora or other retailers, and it's only $29.95 every other month. This season's palette comes with 3 eyeshadows, blush, highlighter, 2 lip colors, and first ever Deck of Scarlet mascara. I'm going to leave a link in the description box for you guys to get 30% off your first order, but I'll tell you more about that later. Let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy.
Hey guys! Okay, so if you hear the dog barking like crazy, it's because it's my mom's dog and she's here watching my son because I'm about to go to lunch. I call it lunch, but my friend calls it dinner because it's like 4, so I feel like lunch, but she says it's dinner, so whatever. So I'm going to try to film a summer look for you guys, and you guys already know that I wear just like natural makeup, so all of my makeup is kind of like super natural, you know, super neutral. So, but I'm gonna film a summer look because a few of you guys wanted to see how I did my makeup. So I have a few videos on it already, but I'll do another one for you guys, and I will be trying to do it here. I don't know how makeup gurus do it. I have a mirror here and I'm like, should I do it like this? But then you can't see. And then there's a mirror behind me because I'm sitting at my vanity, but I can't see it because we're gonna make it work. Okay, so for foundation, I use Black Opal and Rich Caramel, and it is their foundation stick. So I just go on like that. And I'm really excited about this lunch for me, dinner for her, because it's at a Mediterranean place, and I've never had Mediterranean food. Have you guys? I'm really excited about trying it. I made sure I ate light today because I always make the mistake of eating and going out to eat with a friend, and I'm just like way too full to like really enjoy. And since I've never had this type of food before, I really want to enjoy it. So hopefully it's yummy. I should vlog it. Oh my gosh, my mom's dog will not be quiet. Is it annoying you guys as much as it's annoying me? I put her way downstairs, but she's just barking because my mom is outside with my son. So guys, I'm gonna be doing a video, a skincare video on how to get rid of pimples. I should have shown you guys before. I should have pointed it out, the pimples on my face, but maybe you can rewind and see it. Okay, so I think I got her to be quiet because my mom came in. But now I'm going to use the Black Opal again. This is the color Karab, and I use this to contour just a little. I just contour just a little. I hope I could do this in the camera. Let me see. Okay, so now I'm going to use the LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Natural and use that under my eyes for highlight. Some people make the triangle shape, which is cool, but sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Just trying to keep it simple today. And I'm just going to use a damp beauty blender and blend it all in. And now with the other side, I'm going to blend in my contour. Okay, so I want to get my other beauty blender because I want to use the point. I'm just taking it here and blending it in. I hope I'm not late. I feel like I'm always late. Like, I'm on time. Like, I feel like I'm usually on time in my mind, but I just end up somehow running late. I'm gonna say because I was talking to you guys. I'm gonna say I was talking to my friends and got distracted. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the Ulta Contour Kit. Looks like that. I usually use the color Golden Bronzer that used to be there, but I'm out, so I'm gonna use the the Goddess Bronzer. Yeah.
Okay guys, so I'm just going to use this in the hollows of my cheeks, and this is just to set the cream contour that I've already done.
Now I'm going to go back in with the LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Natural and go right under that. I'm going to take my beauty blender and pull it down.
Now I know I'm moving fast here, girls, but I am making sure not to mix the highlight with the contour.
I know that looks crazy, but it won't at the end. I feel like I'm late. I'm not. Now I'm gonna use this MAC bronzer, and it is in the color Dark. So this is the Dark Mineralized Skin Finish. It looks like that. And I'm just gonna use this to blend everything on my face. So right now I look kind of choppy. Everything's, you know. So I'm just gonna use this to blend everything in. Okay. And I use a fluffy brush. I don't know where I got this brush, so sorry.
Alright, so I'm just going to work this in here, girls, and as you can see, everything is starting to blend together.
Okay, so now I'm gonna use the LA Girls Pro Concealer again, and I'm just using this as a primer for my eyes. I have primer, but I don't know where it is. I typically use Painterly, but I don't know where it is, so I'm just gonna use this. Okay guys, so now I'm going to use for my shadow the Deck of Scarlet palette that I was telling you guys about. It looks like that. I like the pretty packaging, and let me show you guys the palette itself, the colors. I love these colors. Looks like that. I love the purples. So I'm going to be using this palette, and then they also have some creams here. But today we'll just be working with the powders. Okay, so I'm going to keep this really simple. I'm just going to do the pink here, and this is in the color Whisper. And I'm just going to put this all over my lid.
Okay, so I do want to let you guys know that I have a special link for you guys so you can get 30% off this edition of Deck of Scarlet. So just click the link in my description box. It's just $21 for your first palette.
Now I'm going to use this shimmery color and the color Shh and the shade Shh. And I'm just going to use a different brush. Oh, I'm sorry. The first brush I used was by e.l.f., I believe. It was like a fluffy brush. And this one is also by e.l.f. And this is a eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to use the color Shh.
Now this shade is actually a highlighter because it's so pigmented and it has like such a really bright color, and that's the look I'm going for. I'm going to use it as a shadow just to make my eyes really pop.
And now I'm just going to use this shade here in the color Drama.
Now I'm just going to use this in the corner of my eyes just to kind of create a little drama.
Now I'm going to go back in with Deck of Scarlet in this shimmery purple shade. It's called Supernova. That one. And I'm going to put it right on my waterline.
I don't know if the camera is picking this up well, but this is so shimmery. It looks like glitter.
Now with Better Than Sex mascara, I'm going to apply that to my lower lashes. I seriously don't know how makeup channels do this because I can't see. And now I'm just going to do my upper lashes as well.
And bam, just got mascara on my lid, but that's okay. I'm late, it will stay.
Okay, so my lips are always a thing. I'm never really sure what I'm gonna wear on my lips. But so today I'm going to use Honey Love by MAC, and it's like this pale pink color. And
so this is my favorite nude right now.
And as my liner, I'm going to use Plum, also by MAC. I love MAC. So I'm going to use the color Plum as the liner. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Buxom Lip Injection in the color Kimberly. And it's actually a lip plumper. Looks like that. And I'm just going to put that right on top of my lipstick.
Now watch my lips plump before your eyes.
Okay, and finally, this is always my last step, is to add a little glow. And I use NARS, this used to say NARS. I use NARS Albatross for that. And I just use this little fan brush here. And I just add a little glow right up my cheekbones.
Now, if you've watched some of my previous makeup videos, you guys already know that this is my #1 go-to highlighter. It just gives it a natural glow. And I also run this down the shaft of my nose and my forehead.
I'm here with my friend Jamie.